Question 8. In a tabular form, explain the differences between surface and groundwater. Now, surface water is water that runs off after rainfall on rills. Groundwater is water that infiltrates and goes down into the soil. Surface water is easily contaminated. Groundwater is hardly contaminated. Surface water runs into lakes and rivers. Groundwater goes deeper into the water table. Surface water is not available for plants. Groundwater is available for absorption and consumption by plants. Surface water is not good for drinking. Groundwater is good for drinking because it contains mineral salts. B. Name 3 sources of water contamination, describing the health effects of each. First, we have sewage. Deposition of sewage, that is liquid waste, urine and feces from homes into water bodies, is going to contaminate water. It contains microorganisms that grow and multiply, and consuming such water spreads waterborne diseases such as cholera, dysentery, and many others. We have urban runoff. Urban runoff may contain heavy metals and many contaminants from industries, and when they get into water, they contaminate water. Consumption of such water may cause liver damage, kidney damage, and many other medical conditions. We have industrial waste. Industrial waste from companies may contain toxic chemicals which go into water and contaminate water. We have chemicals from pollutants. Once there is chemical pollution within the area, can contaminate water, and this contamination can contain lead and mercury, and when this mercury gets into the body, it can cause liver damage, kidney damage, and it's a respiratory poison. We also have contamination from agricultural waste substances. Excessive use of fertilizers in farmlands can be leached to water bodies, where it will cause eutrophication and causing growth of algae and microorganisms in water, and such water will be very difficult to treat for consumption. C. What steps exist in your community for supply of safe water? The first step is that we use the sand filter method, where the water is passed through a sand filter bed to filter all particles. The next, you boil water.